Good morning. It's Tuesday, 9th of July 2024. My name is Vijay. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. I'm sorry I came in late today. Too many things on my mind and too many tasks to be done. But this is the most important task for the day for me. So let's get back to what the topic is. What we are seeing is sector rotation in the Indian stock market. And what are the lessons we are going to learn from here? You must, if you're a trader, be in those sectors, or if you're even a short term investor or a swing trader, you should be in those sectors which will catch the fancy. If you're an investor, then you need to be in those sectors which may catch the fancy. So if you observe, railways and defense have got the fancy, and people who are trading, day trading there, are probably making money, even short term trading. Now, yesterday, for instance, we saw the oil and gas sector catching fancy, where ONGC, GAIL, Petronet LNG all started moving up. FMCG also was another sector which has caught fancy yesterday. We have seen the paper sector and the textile sector. Sector, which has caught the fancy. Textile has not yet caught the fancy. So, if you want to invest, I mean, I'm an investor. I identified oil and gas, and I have got into oil and gas a couple of days ago. We have also got into paper as well as textiles some time ago. Paper has moved, oil and gas has started. FMCG, we are not there, but FMCG has started yesterday. And I'm expecting that sooner or later, textile sector will move. Now, textile sector does not have a great representation in the Indian indices, so people may miss that out. And textile sector mostly is in the mid cap and small cap. So again, people may miss it out as far as the commentary is concerned. But I am pretty sure that this will be a sector which needs to be watched, and oil and gas, especially stocks like GAIL and Petronet LNG, which we both have, both of the stocks we have, simply because their valuations are very, very low. So that is one sector we are focusing. Now, what happened yesterday was that across the board selling was noticed, and that reflected in all the sectoral indices, including the Nifty and Bank Nifty. But Nifty turned around smartly, primarily due to Reliance, whereas Bank Nifty continued to sulk. But I think today may be a day when the Bank Nifty may do a turnaround, with Nifty trying to look for all-time highs. Gift Nifty talks of some 40-50 points movement, but anyway, let's leave Gift Nifty alone. FIS bought about 60 crores, which is pittance. DIS bought about 2,800 crores, which is, I think, quite significant. And what happened to the US markets? Dow Jones opened very brightly, about 200 points plus, but then it came down and settled at minus 30. S&P and Nasdaq both made all-time highs. Now, what's happened today? Today, the Asian markets have opened quite interesting. Japan has gone berserk with 750 points on their Nikkei, whereas Hang Seng is sulking. The other markets are quite steady. If you look at non-equity, DXY is steady at 105. Oil has come down from 87 to $85.5. Gold and silver again steady, but both of them are showing strength. US 10-year yield is down simply because, you see, there is a possibility that Powell may be dovish today and tomorrow, where he addresses the US Congress and the Senate. So that is what is the situation. And as I mentioned, that PSU banks, private sector banks, defense, railways, and infra have had their run. And now from here, I don't know how much more they will go, or they may consolidate here. But the sectors which I repeat are oil and gas, paper, textiles, FMCG, and maybe chemicals could be another sector where people may come in. But that is anticipating. So right now, this is the status. We go into the market with a positive bias, because if you observe that yesterday, when in the last half an hour or last 1 hour, the market went up. I always believe that amateurs open the market and professionals close the market, which meant that the professionals are looking for a better opening and a better day today. So the first hour should be good, and then we will take it forward, because there is also what shall I say, weekly expiry on the private sector banks. So all in all, I expect it to be a positive day today across the board, especially in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Whatever you do, please, I'm hoping that it will be a successful day. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Here it is, Vijay signing off.